back in 2016, my wife and I, we lost our twins. Good morning, y'all. So, I just wanted to create this real quick because, one, God has just done some amazing things. And I'm hoping that what I share can encourage someone and offer some hope. So my boy Steven Shears, he had posted on his page, he said, let me get it because it was hilarious. He says, sometimes God decides to add to your family and we are ready for 2 new additions. And automatically I'm thinking he and his new wife, they just got married, I believe, was it September? I think September. And, or maybe August or something of that nature. But they just got married and I'm thinking, right, 2 new additions is twins. So, I heart the post and I'm super excited for my man. I mean, this dude, we met because we were part of a group, Breathe University together. And I think it was Breathe University. And he's from Philly and he was in Boston. I'm from Boston, and he had come and down and we linked up, and man, we just instantly clicked. Like, he is a part of the family. Like, my kids, like, when's Uncle Steven coming? He's had a tremendous impact on my life, just with his perspective, with his heart. Like, he is a servant and he really doesn't want anything in return. He just really wants to help and as much as he can. Like, that is just who he is. So I'm about to jump through the roof in excitement because I'm thinking they're about to have twins. And then I go into the post to go say congrats, and I see he posts a picture of his 2 dogs. They got 2 new dogs. And I'm like, man, Steven, if you're watching this, you're wrong for that. But what got me just now, and you have to forgive me if I start to, I'm starting to get emotional. Back in 2016, my wife and I, we lost our twins. And, whenever someone would post online about being pregnant or something of that nature, joyful about the experience that they're about to have, but still feeling the wound of having lost our twins. And to be able to have like, I literally was jumping in my spirit. Like, I almost jumped up, literally. But this time there was no thought of what I had lost. It was just purely genuine excitement for my friend, my brother, and his wife. And I just thank God for that. And the reason why I wanted to share this is because I want people to know that there is nothing that you go through that God can't eventually restore your heart in regards to. That there is always hope, because in Him there's healing. And for me to be able to celebrate my brother without thinking about what I had lost, or what my wife and I have lost, Man, it's just a testament to how good God has been. Now, understand something. Over the last 2.5 months, I have drawn closer to the Lord, more so than I've ever done in the last 20 years. And there are some things that he has, through that process of making knowing him the priority and not a priority, making that my goal and my aspiration in drawing near unto him, not in terms of just reading my word, all of those religious things, but really again, making knowing him like according to what he says knowing him means, not according to what everybody else says, but never mind. In doing so, he had really began to just show me some things that I was wrestling with and walking me through this process of giving that over to him and allowing him to heal my heart, of the disappointment, of the hurts, of the betrayals, of so many different things that have gone on throughout my life, as a result of, just upbringing, a result of people not knowing, as a result of things that I've done to myself, things that I've done to others, just healing a broken heart. And this is a testament to the wholeness that I'm experiencing, the peace that I have, the restoration, the healing that he has helped me achieve as a result of going through this process of building a better relationship with myself, and ultimately, healing my heart. But it was all him. I mean, I had to do some work. But to be able to jump for joy, over my boy, over the thought, I was just so excited for this dude. Like, I'm sitting here marveling, like, wow, I was about to jump through the roof. Because him having, twins was just like, I felt like I won. I felt like I felt like my wife was pregnant again. That's how excited I was for him. And, I'm just super excited about the fact that my heart has been healed. My heart is whole again. And that was the evidence, for me, that God has done a marvelous thing in me, that I could be super excited for my brother as if I was having twins again myself. And, I'm so grateful. So, Stephen, congrats on the dogs. But for all of those who may have been in the same situation that I've been in, who have faced, who have suffered loss, you can be restored. You can be healed. All hope is not lost. I'm a witness, and man, it felt and feels great to know that I can celebrate my brother in the area in which I had a tremendous loss, and not feel a sense of that loss, because of what God has done in healing my heart through the work of, building a better relationship with myself and ultimately a better relationship with him. So I just want to share that with you guys. I pray that it finds you well. And I just pray that it encourages you and that you have hope, because all hope is not lost. You can be healed. You can be restored. You can be whole. And, I'm a living witness. And if you need help, by all means, hit me up. I'm a transformational coach helping people to become whole by walking with them through the process or their process of of building a better relationship with themselves. So, man, thank you, Stephen, for even sharing that, because you just helped me to see all the work that I've put in. Being able to celebrate you, it's really paid off. So, man, praise God. All right, guys. Peace.